Prayer in temporal wants. O Mother of perpetual help, numerous clients continually surround thy holy picture, all imploring thy mercy. All bless thee as the assured help of the miserable, all feel the benefit of thy maternal protection. With confidence, then, do I present myself before thee in my misery. See, dear Mother, the many evils to which we are exposed, see how numerous are our wants. Trials and sorrows often press us, reverses of fortune and privations, often grievous, bring misery into our homes, everywhere we meet the cross. Have pity, compassionate Mother, on us and on our families, and especially in this my necessity. Here mention your petition, from which I now suffer. Help me, O my Mother, in my distress, deliver me from my ills, or if it be the will of God that I should endure them, make me suffer with love and patience. This grace I expect of thee with confidence, because thou art our perpetual help. Amen.